guys, welcome back to my channel. I have just touched down in Lahore and my first stop is somewhere to try some very traditional food. I have decided to try a dish called Nihari, which is a little bit like a beef stew cooked in the big pots over to the right hand side of me. It's cooked for quite a long time, so the beef's nice and tender, and then it's served with the delicious bread that I can smell on the other side that's cooked in the tandoor ovens. So these deep tandoor ovens are the way that they traditionally cook the bread, and the heat coming off it is absolutely immense. These guys are doing an incredible job being over the heat all day. And then when the doughs are ready, they reach in, stick them on the side of the oven until they're cooked and put on the side over here. So I'm going to talk you through a few of the accompaniments that I've been given to my meal. First of all, we've got chili. Now I've been told that this is already spicy enough, so I'm not going to add any chili yet. I might do in a little while, but definitely think I need to test the heat first. Secondly, we've got lime, a lot of fresh coriander, which is always a lovely addition. And then finally, some grated ginger. And once again, I know there's quite a strong ginger flavor in here, so I don't know whether I'm going to add any until I try it first. And then finally, I've got my lovely, hot, fresh roti that I saw being made outside, which is definitely going to be delicious dipped in here. Now, the first thing that I've noticed is even though this was the plain one, it does actually have quite a lot of oil on the top, which is fine for me, but I know it wouldn't be everybody's cup of tea to have a dish that's quite so oily. Oh, wow. Oh, that was so rich. That was absolutely incredible. It's a very thick gravy, a little bit of sweetness to it, and you definitely taste the garlic coming through. But I honestly just can't get over this oil. You can actually see how it separates onto the spoon there. Wow, oh God. Look how easily the meat comes away there. You can tell how long it's been cooked for. That's definitely worth the slow cooking. That is so good. That's perhaps a bit of overkill, but I do love fresh coriander. I've only put a little bit more chili on because it's already pretty hot, to be honest. But a bit of lime, oops. A bit of lime. There we go. Actually, just that little bit of lime does bring out the flavors even more. So I think for my first dish in Pakistan, I definitely made a very good decision. That was absolutely incredible. Although it was incredibly rich, I only managed about half of it and probably about 3/4 of the bread. Now the roti was actually quite different to any that I've tried before. It was very thick and doughy, which was lovely because when you dipped it in the gravy, it really soaked up a lot of the flavors. And now to finish off my meal, I've been given a meaty lassi, which is a sweet lassi, which is definitely going to be nice after that hot meal. So it's a delicious, thick, yogurty drink, which is a really nice, not too sweet treat after having some spicy food. Right. And now? How's that? Okay? Yeah? I've got myself a new job, I think. Oh, another one. Okay. Right. Flatten it down with your hands first, so it doesn't stick. Lots of flour. And then Roll, turn, roll. Oh God. Oh, only one more. Okay. Okay. There we go. So now he's wetting it. Ready to go inside the tandoor. Oh, I can't go fast enough. Oops. Oh, that one went wrong. Last one. I think I'm causing trouble now. One thing I'm not volunteering to do though is put it inside that tandoor. You can feel the heat coming off it now. I hope that you guys enjoyed trying my very first dish in Pakistan with me. I'd love to know what you guys think I should try, so make sure you comment below and don't forget to subscribe.